You can make money watching YouTube? Earn Bitcoin? So this isn't clickbait. I'm going to show you exactly how you can make money while watching your favorite YouTubers. So the site is called Library. And on Library, you can get paid to watch YouTube videos from your favorite creators. And there's multiple ways to get paid. You can earn money from a daily watch reward, which is from 1 to 100 points. You can earn points for following creators. You can get paid to repost creators' videos. And then there's just additional points for just watching. Now all these points are paid out in LBC, which is library credits. Those can be taken to an exchange like SimpleSwap and exchanged for Bitcoin, which you can either spend or cash out for hard dollars. Now the list of YouTubers that are on Library is getting longer by the day, and I can't name them all. But I'll give you a few just to go through them. We have Chico Crypto, Max Wrist, Ivan on Tech, Sexy Cyborg Naomi Wu, Red Pill Philosophy, Peter Schiff, The Dollar Vigilante, and there's tons more. So all you need to do in order to start making money is go to the link in the description below, go on Library, verify your email address, start up an account, and start making money. You can then check your wallet and see how much money you've made and cash out whenever you're ready. That simple, that easy. Get on it.